Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your SST class. And today our topic is India, natural vegetation and wildlife. So, dear students, first of all, write down today's date. Let's start to read. Being a vast country, different types of vegetation are found in India. These are discussed below. The first one, mountain vegetation. Trees like pine, spruce, cheer, deodar and birch are the trees found at high altitudes in the Himalaya. So these are the trees that found in Himalaya. So these are called mountain vegetation. Now the next one is tropical evergreen forest. These forests are found in the western coastal plains and the northeast, which receive heavy rainfall. Mahogany, ebony and rubber are some of the trees that grow here. Dear students, you can see in the map very clearly that these are the tropical evergreen forest. They are found where heavy rainfall occur. And these are mountain vegetation. Now let's move to the next. Monsoon deciduous forest. These forests are found in those parts of the country which receive moderate to heavy rainfall. Moderate means medium. Sal, teak, bamboo can be seen in these forests. In India, most of the part these forests are found. These light green shaded are shown there. Monsoon deciduous forests in most of the part of India, these forests are found. Now the next one, tidal and mangrove forest. These forests are found in the low-lying delta regions of river. ये उस एरिया में पाए जाते हैं जहाँ लो लाइंग डेल्टा बनते हैं, यानी कि जब एक नदी एक समुद्र में मिलती है तो उस पार्ट में जो बीच वाला हिस्सा जहाँ पे थोड़ी रेत इकट्ठी हो जाती है तो एक ट्रायंगुलर शेप बनती है जिसे डेल्टा कहा जाता है. So, for example, that Sundarban Delta where the Sundri tree grows is also the largest mangrove forest in the world. Let's see in the map, beta. This is Sundarban Delta and this is the largest delta in the world. Where it found? Where the Ganga river falls into Bay of Bengal. So, dear students, these are the example of tidal or mangrove forests. Next one, desert vegetation. This type of vegetation is found in the Thar desert of Rajasthan. Trees like date, palm, kikar, babool and cactus grow here. Let's move to the map, beta. This yellow shaded part shows the thorn forest, or you can say that desert vegetation, because this area receive very low rainfall and have high temperature. That's why this type of vegetation is grown there. Now the wildlife, like vegetation, a vast variety of wildlife exists in the country. Some common animals found in India include lions, tigers, deer, antelope, monkey, jackals and peacocks. In order to protect many of the endangered species found in the country, many biosphere reserves, wildlife sanctuaries and national parks have been set up across the country. So dear students, जो endangered species हैं, endangered मतलब जो बिल्कुल ख़त्म होने वाली हैं, खतरे पर हैं, जिनकी जो स्पीशीज़ हैं, प्रजाति है बहुत कम रह गई है, उन्हें सेव करने के लिए हमारी कंट्री ने बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व, वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज एंड नेशनल पार्क ओपन किए हैं. द गवर्नमेंट हैज़ आल्सो इनेक्टेड लॉज टू कर्ब इलीगल हंटिंग एंड पॉचिंग ऑफ एनिमल्स एज वेल एज इलीगल कटिंग ऑफ ट्रीज. तो इलीगल ट्री को कटिंग करने से रोकने के लिए एंड एनिमल्स को जो शिकार करते हैं या उनको किल करते हैं उसे रोकने के लिए गवर्नमेंट ने कुछ लॉज भी मेक किए हैं. And now dear students, after reading and understanding this chapter, you will move to the page number 148, and again on this page you will write down today's date, and here is a map activity. To see this map you will solve these questions, and also dear students, you will have to fill this map into your fair notebook. यानी कि आपको एक मैप लेकर इंडिया का उसके अंदर ये सारे के सारे जो वेजिटेशन है इंडिया की उसे फिल करना है एंड उसे अपनी फेयर नोटबुक में पेस्ट करना है. इज़ दैट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? थैंक यू एंड हैव ए नाइस डे.